Welcome back to Asi the Hot. Today, as we do every Monday, now the tear rubber, and we don't carry some of the action to do what happen for Obodo Nigeria for weekend come. We discuss about the signing of the budget. We also talk about the big one when we say happen for inside Obafemi Awolowo University Teaching Hospital Complex. Now that particular discussion we just finish. We don't go waste too much time on top of them. Based on that one, we'll also talk about maintenance culture and the accident will happen for inside Jeba for Kwara State. Quickly, we could just enter the next one now.
Yeah, straight up. Oga Boloba.
I never finished that one way. But now I get na show. Yeah,
okay, we don't hear.
Make una dey play me like Bloblom.
No, I call yeah.
You know, if you kick Bloblom, you just go here. Keeper wey go stand here.
Okay, we don't hear the issue with between them, Oga Tompolo and the Niger Delta Avengers. That is a new group we just emerged. You say that they fight for Niger people over this thing, over the fact say a lot of things where they do for where the past government they do for them say they withdraw. Okay, me call look am. Okay, apology or no apology. I know they among. I know they among. The issue here is say the issue has been established, but the thing is say. Waiting be we do rather than to say we they vandalize property we get. Waiting be the right. There are other causes where we fit take approaches where we fit take follow to make our demands to say okay, see what we want. But must it be vandalization? Must it not follow due process? Okay, present them before the government. We will also look at part of the government. So, okay, if this is how it's been, we will also look at. We could know what to go feed you about them.
What is the question?
About that, the issue say, okay, shouldn't vandalization be the appropriate thing? I'll be just following the right course of demanding for within the appropriate.
You see, vandalization no be the appropriate thing. I no go sit here make any Nigerian or anybody they do something where go cause katakata for Nigeria economy. And in fact, more importantly, where go cause damage to the thing when they fight for. Make I give you a typical example. If pipeline pass through this place now, if I blow the pipeline here, the content of the pipeline goes spill for this area. And because we know the abrasive nature of petrochemical products, if it be say for the next 20, 30 years, all the places where that thing spill reach. So why I go dey fight the fight where be say it be like say I dey cut my nose to spite my face. So vandalization no be the. But I no go sit here too. Make I say the person where they fight, he no get reason to fight. Vandalization no be abi brigandage, abi violence. No be the right way to fight, but the thing where I know be say the Nigeria project, it get make we revisit make we revisit how the model of governance for Nigeria they function. If we still get this model of governance, where would they deceive ourselves? Say somebody he go dey powerful that much, he go sit for Abuja. They control everywhere. We don't say that system they fail. The system not only they fail for South for Avengers, they fail amongst the Marujin S-men, they fail for Boko Haram for Northeast, they fail for kidnapping for Southwest, they fail for kidnapping for South, they fail for kidnapping for Southeast. So waiting all this yama regbe sulu where they happen. No be say we no get army. No be say we no get navy. No be say we no get air force. We follow get police. We get marine police. We get DSS. We get military intelligence. Every of these organizations and institutions there, and yet all these regbe rama they this thing. The thing where can't shake me pass be say them burn you for South. Them burn me for one area. Make we just pick one area for South now. They burn you for that place. They burn me for that place. And whenever, anytime, when some people among us, they vex, they go do something where go destroy our common heritage. And the people, the majority, them go so sit down, they look. We must devise a system wey go give the majority of people a sense of involvement in the governance infrastructure, wey go make them know say if dem fight the people wey dey destroy their land on the pretext say dem dey fight for them go know say the good e go reach majority than the little wey don profit from all these destroy. So the major fundamental systemic this thing for me na to revisit Project Nigeria as it pertains to governance infrastructure.
We hope say government go take this particular advice well and do am so that we no go get cases when we say.
But government no dey take advice for people wey dem believe say the head no correct.
No, but definitely.
You know, say them,
definitely. If we dey very optimistic about this government, say the government really promise okay, they won't change the way anything they make Nigerians begin they enjoy the benefit. It go dey okay because as they destroy the one when they mean do for Focados for Shell, they talk say till today something will happen 2 months ago. We see they suffer for waiting happen. See the one when happen for Okan, for inside Chevron, for Delta State. So if this thing continue like this, wahala go dey.
Some Nigerians are the hear words like say government will crush them, government go crush them. Me self I wish make government crush them.
Exactly.
But the reality wey dey our korokoro eye now be say.
Okay, no vex to say I collect talk from your mouth. We get one of our regular callers. Oga Igo, good morning.
Oga, I greet you. Good morning.
I greet you, Oga Igo.
Oga, I greet you. Oga, I greet you, sir. Good morning.
We dey hear you, right on.
Oga, sir, someone supposed to get the answer I keep I do. Some of the answer people go. The parable they give will not be try to understand that people. You never am afraid of this parable. Sure, this. Yeah.
Oga Igo, if you like say the network
dey break somehow.
make your contribution. I beg if you get the opportunity.
If you come back.
We get Oga Bobby. Oga Bobby they call us from Amsterdam. Oga Bobby, thank you very much and welcome to Ask Ide Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga
my
Bobby.
brother.
Oga Bolaba, I greet you.
I bow and tremble.
Okay. I so much thank God say Mr. President does sign the
budget
for 2016, you know. So I praise the Lord, you know. So Nigerians move found that complaint one complaint, you know, to concerning budget now. The table say the railway project they want to say they won't carry out for Nigeria. Those are my main concern, you know. Me not go give us locomotive train. You understand me? Because during Goodluck administration, they go carry locomotive train from China, come drop for they say na train. Then they call grid one big budget on top of the thing when a locomotive. When they ask, they say we not deserve to get a bullet train yet. Nigeria will grow, so we will try to extend our hand to a good development. That's what I want to see. Then in terms of medical aspects, we get Nigeria full London, America, and other places in the world where they study, they become a doctor and nurses and all that. Why can't they build a standard hospital when we say Nigerians will go, they're happy to go there? I remember one at this small Echo Hospital was the best in Delta State. It's just in Nigeria as a whole said that time. But the hospital don't fall apart. Because development, then the infrastructure, maintenance, those are the things there. We need to take care of things. You know, we need to inject maintenance project aside, you know, so people want to go to check street light, whether the light bulb don't finish, road to check your road, because everything they expire. Human being they expire, everything they expire. So those are the things that we need to look into.
Very, very true. Oga Bobby, thank you very much for this your important contribution. We get Oga Ibrahim. He call us from Ikorodu. Oga Ibrahim, thank you very much for your patience. Welcome to Ask Ide Hot.
Oga Ibrahim, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Ibrahim.
This is I greet you well.
No, my brother.
This issue of this Tombolo and this Nigerian boys. I think say Tombolo don't know about those guys.
Would they hear you, Oga Ibrahim?
only woman look on it. As they hear me. So definitely, Tombolo should fight. I think go do no step for Buhari. But all these boys, Tombolo know them well, we know. There is
Okay, Ibrahim, sorry very much. I beg, if you get the opportunity, call us back. We get Chuks. Chuks, they call us all the way from Ikorodu. Okay, Chuks, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Okay, Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning,
sir.
Branko, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Our visitor, good morning, sir. Hail well. One thing with our visitor and this man, I just want to put small thing. This man, is it Labaros or something like that?
Yes, Labaros.
Yes, anytime we then day on air, we then day TV, then they talk the fact. So, in fact, I'll be one of the fan of these two men. Okay. Because then they hit the nail, they know they bias, then they talk as the country be. Just a little thing I want just ask for what they talk, because everything when they don't talk, now exactly what I want to talk. These men, they really know what they happen for this country. And then they like hit the nail. They don't want to know whether na PDP day board, whether na NPP day board or APC day board. Now the first thing when I want to put for my phone is say, I think Oga Buhari has to sign the budget. We pray make things begin go on well. In quotes, them promise us. Then the issue of Niger Delta, now there go on, I won't really talk. Nobody, as my Oga there talk, good day, you talk, say, what thing they happen for Niger Delta, they good. Either bomb, either blast, either spillage or one thing. These guys, what they do, nobody could say then they good, then they right thing they do.
Very true.
And the government on their own part, what did also they do to Niger Delta, in parentheses, they do to Niger Delta. Look the right thing. Irrespective of the fact, say these guys then they do another thing. They're supposed to take up their own responsibility. I am from that area. If we go Niger Delta, we go see the mess within that place. So I think it is high time for the government to wake up, especially on that side. Okay, check all the people who are there for state now. How many people come from Niger Delta? As far as I'm concerned, not only Amechi. All the people who they sit. What other people persons go fit come up for that place, come begin fight. Say what thing they do for this area, they bad or they good. So now we come from this area, we always tell them, say, what thing that they do for that area, you know they good. We don't wake up.
Thank you very, very much. We don't
take with that.
Yes, thank you very much for your contribution. We don't get your own talk on top of waiting the app for Obodo Nigeria. And then quickly we'll do it. We'll enter for this quick break. When we come back, we'll enter the final lap of our program with the call.
Welcome back to As It Dey Hot, on top of the senior brother for the television stations when inside the world. Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of GoTV cable, Wazobia Max HF57, and www.wazobiatv.com/live on top of internet. Ezuku Chukudi Unkubi and our Ogbonge visitor Gagola Wade inside studio. And they take calls while discussing all of the action to the way happen for inside Obodo Nigeria from the weekend when pass. So, Gagola, a quick one, and this final story when we've been discussed. And when get to do with the invitation when they extend, give the person when we say when it come to talk as they concern the PDP campaigns for 2015, now he sit down on top.
As they concern President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan campaign.
President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan campaign.
Because some people for PDP go tell you, say, even say the boy no be member, the man no be member of their political
party. Okay, exactly. Now, as we talk this morning,
no verse. So I just they put my facts straight.
No problem. As we talk this morning, he don't carry waka go the office of the economic
because them call am the right time
and the right letter give am. And he get one talk with me come out first say Mopo been dey in house
for Friday night.
They just stand for Friday night. Say he talk say no see the invitation. Say no fit run go anywhere. He no dey fear. He go answer question. Peter Ayodele the Rock Fayose come out come talk say na barbaric act.
Na the Rock in the beer now.
Peter Rock. Peter mean Rock.
Yeah.
And the way when he dey behave, he dey show say.
And Peter mean Jesus say now on top of the rock, but Peter mean reef unstable.
but
You don't know the meaning of it. And if you want to use English one, if they say you peter out, it means say
make we take the Peter.
No, we are educating. We educate our listeners. And when you go into the etymology of our words, you must put all the meanings there out. The reason why you said
okay, good morning. Okay, from Calabar, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Chukudi.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Nkovi.
Okay, well, they hear you, right?
Mr. Goloba, good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Make a contribution, small big. First of all, I must condole the family of those who lost their life in that train. But they find a rest. And the question I want to ask is, why my dear country do always go for access property, aircraft, train, ship, and the rest of the things? Nigeria will be dumping ground. Let them go for something. I mean, new model things, no be old things we go down throw away. We can't go to find them. And again, make a go for America also. You see, one thing for within Nigeria is they always value within the gate. Our people do not adopt medicine finish here. Next thing we say they don't run, go abroad. And when you get there, they become experts because they're paying them well. But over here in Nigeria, even to pay our wahala. So I think it's hard time Nigeria change. And again, about the issue of Niger Delta of the thing. You know what big picking, tell them, no cry, but I know season of violence, now you will take fine peace.
True.
Yeah, you must seek for peace in a good way. Blowing off the pipeline will cause them things also. They will live for Nigeria, but them also, it will cause them more.
Very, very true.
So I pray that Nigeria will never spoil.
Amen. Okay. Thank you very much. As you use prayer, take end up your contribution. Okay, Gbolaba, quick one. Make I just leave am for here now. You get some kind of senior men for bank when me say they don't talk, say somehow they
run away from that fire.
No, leave am.
Because we go into the meaning of words.
No
verse. I don't go to define words.
No be the meaning. Then talk say. Then talk say. No. Then talk say. Some senior men for bank say somehow their hands dey inside this particular incident. We don't hear of Herbert Wigwe and Oga Yemi Adiola. They even talk say okay, they don't allow them go. And in some reports, they talk say they don't refund money wey run into billions. Now I want to ask one question now. Shey say okay, the person knows say this thing wey they do no dey right, but him go do am, or him hands dey tied based on saying our government, or him just reason and say the matter dey clean based on saying our government. How we go take fit explain this one? We go get situation when we say no be only people when they government, but people when they also they head some very important organizations for this our country too. Say their hand no go follow for inside all these kind of things when they happen.
Chukudi, the question where you ask na very serious question. We don't dey one juncture for Nigeria now. That junction, I don't use the word juncture, I say junction. Because if I want to speak good grammar, I go say juncture. But this one, we don't dey one junction now. The Yoruba people, they call them Orita Merin. Orita Merin are there devil, they stay.
No be even Orita Meta.
Orita Merin.
This is a four junction.
If you want confuse stranger, put am for Orita Merin. He go, now here I take, no be here I take. For our value system, we don't reach Orita Merin for our value system. Even people wey no supposed to dey act like people wey hunger dey cash. They do like say hunger dey cash.
Okay, Gbolaba, you no go vex. I'll give you the opportunity, but we get Oga Chima. Oga Chima, they call us from Lekki. After this call, you go just finish. Oga Chima, good morning and welcome to Asile Hot.
Good morning, Chima.
Hello, good morning.
Would they hear you, Chima? Right on.
Okay, one thing I get to contribute this morning is the issue of Niger Delta.
Okay.
That even the record aid for Igbo land. Aid Kokonoyam. They say that something make that stand. If you break and you see the cancer away the leg, you go do So, my own voice, what will you see for Niger Delta? As the king they cry, they point hand. It's either Mama Debia and Papa Debia. If you give them what they want to talk, they're not going to stop.
True.
As now for that place, Nothing will they function there. Fishing, they don't do fish. To do farming, they don't do farming. Now the only thing we God don't give them, now that's oil. Now like you go see for North today, they say a health man, they carry cow, they carry AK-47, they follow them, they reproduce their cow. They carry goats, they carry AK-47, they follow. They carry yam, they carry AK-47, they follow. All that tribe, they not in Nigeria. All that tribe, they not in Nigeria.
Very, very true.
Now when we say our president say may they crush all of them, why you never say may they crush those boys when they carry fowl, carry chicken, carry goat, carry AK-47 full arm?
Very, very true. Oga Chima, you don't make your point, and we don't know time. Thank you very, very much. Because of time, we know day, we will just quickly come back to our Ogbonge visitor, make it just wrap everything. Oga Bolaba, you been talk about people when we say ordinarily, they're not supposed to behave the way when they behave. Sir.
Poverty, I dey always tell my friends, say, poverty no be the amount where dey your bank balance. Na the value where dey here and here, your heart and your head.
Very true.
If you get billions, these people where would they talk? They get billions for bank, but then they poor emotionally, then they poor spiritually. So anything goes. The hallmark of a professional in anything where God don't give you wisdom to be called a professional on. Now to say, you know what? Even if the person will hold the pipe, one squeeze arm, my God is bigger than his pipe. But we don't see, say, for majority of Nigerians so-called professionals, because to become a bank chief executive officer now, you must be a billionaire. No day fool. And Chukwudi, I am talking to you as a comfortable Nigerian who is not a billionaire. You can live comfortably in Nigeria without being a billionaire. With anything above 50 million naira, where be say you get good investment skills, good is where you put your money for certain sustainable this thing, you will work billionaire go sit down. If a governor sit down from where I sit down now, then go say I be Papa. I look like Papa. My brother, it is not the amount of money where they your pocket. It is the value you treasure. So for these guys, with these bank guys, you know they're strange to me.
Very true.
Because now all other facets of life for Nigeria, now in value don't drop, including for churches and mosques.
Oga Bolaba, we go thank you, say you carry waka come inside our studio to follow us discuss all of the action to the come up for inside Obodo Nigeria this weekend when pass. So we go shake your hand because it's not easy. All of us, they're very, very aware, say, even 1 hour, no, they agree us to discuss this particular matter. But we always talk and say, Nigeria and our country, it no go spoil. Make we continue to contribute, make everybody hear. Those when call us, we appreciate. Those when try to call, but the thing no enter, we also appreciate. We'll continue to discuss matter we get to do with Nigeria. And until we come back again tomorrow with another topic where they come on smoke. Kunkubi.
Yes, now bye-bye. Till tomorrow, we'll see you again.
Thank you very much, sir.
Don't let them find your name for Panama Papers.
For latest yarns and tori from your Sempe programs, where they on top Wazobia TV, waka enter Facebook, www.
If you not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.